Dad's Burger Boy, and today we got this spinning wind-up duck top. You might be wondering, how does this work? You wind it up, push the button, and watch it go. I'm going to show you it right now. Already wound it up. Fail. It can sometimes do that, which is the thing. So you should just push it down. So here we go. There we go. You can hear that song is the Lonely Goat Herd, but the whistling version. So here we go again. One more shot. So, that was it. So you might be wondering, where did I get this little guy? I bought him off Amazon. This is manufactured by Quaha. Weird name for a company, I know. But still, I would give them a special thanks for making this toy. Links down in the description below so you can buy it if you want. Thanks for watching.